This video is going to be on how to set up ThunderPOS Loyalty. ThunderPOS Loyalty is our new site for accessing customer data for the end user, so for your customers. This site will allow those of you on a cloud to point customers to it, and they can, depending on your settings, do things like price out what something they might have for trade is worth in your store. They may be able to check gift card balances, check on their own account balances, check ongoing promotions. We're just going to show you how to do all of those settings in this video. So if we go over to our browser here, we can see we're logged into our back office site. So in order to change the settings for what customers who do loyalty have access to, you just go down here to settings, and then right up here next to touch register groups, backup database, it's the loyalty settings. So store information, that's just your name of your store and where it's at. Enable loyalty, that needs to be on if you want to use the site at all. If that's off, then nobody will be able to use your store for loyalty. Trade-ins allows people to do trade-in pricing once they have an account. If that's on, then allow unlinked trades will allow customers who you haven't yet connected to an account within your store to view trades. If you don't have that on, then only people who have been authorized will be able to do it. For gift cards, that's checking the balance of a gift card. As of this time, there is no way to, for example, sell any kind of gift card or do any kind of permanent balance changes. Allow unlinked gift cards, it's the same deal. If a customer isn't approved, if this is turned on, they'll be able to check the balance of a gift card. And then we got show account balance and show reward points. Show account balance will let you see the balance of credit on your account if you owe the store money or if the store owes you money. Show rewards points will, if you're using a rewards program, allow you to see the level of rewards points that you have. And then list store publicly, this one needs a little explanation. That is, if somebody, there are two ways people can sign up. Either when you have a receipt print, you can have it print a code that they can put in to link it to the customer that they used in your store. And that just works automatically. They won't need approval after putting in that auth code. That setting is controlled within the receipt section of the settings in ThunderPOS for Windows, since it's at the register. But if you have this option on, they can also just sign up for an account on loyalty.thunderpos.net, which is the current address of the site, and they will be able to go ahead and request access. And we'll show where that's at here in a minute, but you would then approve or deny them, but they need to be linked to a customer to have full approval. If you don't have this setting on, then those unlinked settings don't really do anything because they only relate to people who are waiting to get connected after signing up for an account. And then these two email templates at the bottom here, they just control when you link somebody or when you reject somebody and say that they're not a customer that you recognize, then this is the contents of the email that'll get sent to them as a result. So the other place I want to show here, so then you just save the settings when you're done. But the other place I want to show here within the back office is if we go to customers, and then we go to loyalty signups, we'll see we've got a number of signups here. And if the email address for any of these actually existed in here, you'd be able to just click on the possible matching customer and select them. And then under actions, you could just attach the matched customer. Since we don't have that, other things, you can reject the sign up. That'll just tell them, no, we don't recognize you. We can create a new customer from the information that we've been given here, or we can search customers for somebody to match with. So for example, if we just search for customers here and we just select somebody and we just say, yeah, we'll attach them there. And that's pretty much it for the setup side. If you're interested in seeing how loyalty looks, we recommend trying it on a phone. It will work from a desktop browser, but it's loyalty.thunderpos.net. And you can set this up, sign up, try it with your own account in store, and just poke around, see the information that you get. And we really do think that many customers will find it valuable. It is a feature we're planning on expanding down the line, depending on the reception here. So if you have things you would like to be able to communicate with your customers through it that are not currently offered through it, please certainly contact us through support@extremepos.com with any suggestions, and we'll be happy to take a listen and potentially do those.